This is a custom thumbnail tutorial when I show you how to make thumbnails, custom thumbnails that get you views on YouTube. So I'm just starting from TW. This is going to be the thumbnail for this video. Okay. The first thing I do is the sticker. Then scroll down to shapes, and I think the shape was a white around it that stands out, and I round it to right in the middle. Okay. Then what I do is put text. Next, I make it in capital. I look at bold and put the different font. Go to this one. Sometimes I use this one. I use this one now. Okay. I got it in color. Got it in red. Shadow. Let's make it stand out a tiny bit. Outline to make it stand out a lot more. They can't tell me that doesn't stand out. Okay, maybe I decrease the outline. Okay, that's good. Alright. Now I'll go back to sticker. We've seen that a second that's still recording. Okay, and the arrow. Because arrows make your viewers look at the thumbnail longer when they direct it at something. So I usually make it go in the middle of the word. So I go back to it. Pick the arrow and change the direction of it. Make it bigger. I want you to tell me in the comments for now if these arrows make you look at these words and the words so clear as can be. You know, you can tell what the video is going to be about. And that's how you make thumbnail. Also, if you like this video or if it brings any value to you, because smash that like button so there's some more people, and sure to subscribe. That subscribe link in the description for you to right down below this video, and you just push that red button that's subscribe. So here's the thumbnail. Now let's start recording.